Good morning, guys. What are you living for? What are we living for? That is the question. What and why are we living for? But basically, what are you living for? I'm glad you asked. If we all live for the right reasons, we will find love, peace, joy, and happiness. A lot of people are not happy, don't have joy, don't have love because they're not living for the right reasons. I just want you guys to think about that. If you live for the right reasons, you will have everything that He has for us. We're not talking about wealth, material things, but just the joy and the peace that will surround you every day of your life. And you don't have to worry about a thing because you are living the way we're supposed to live and what we're living for. So that's just something I want you guys to take away from this message. Ask yourself, what am I living for? And if it's not, when you answer that question, and if it's not, try to line yourself up for what you are and what you're supposed to be living for. That is my message today, guys. What are you living for? What are you living for? Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, I'm getting ready to fix my oatmeal for this morning. And I'm going to go ahead and use these dates. If I haven't had dates, I'm only going to use, I think I'm going to use one. Are these pitted ones? It doesn't, I don't know if it says pitted or not. Let me see, original, organic, no, okay. I don't know if these pitted or not, but I'm going to have dates in my oatmeal today. I don't know if you guys can, you guys can see. Hope you all are having a great day. Happy Monday to you all. Go ahead and stir my oatmeal. Y'all, it's so cold here. Let me know in the comments where are y'all from and what is the temperature? I know different places are getting different different weather, but I think places that don't experience bad weather are starting to experience bad weather. I'm starting to feel like a weather girl or something. I always wanted to know about the weather. Let me put y'all up here, okay? Let me put y'all up here so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah, I'm starting to feel like the weather lady. I do. Asking y'all about the weather all the time. But I'm going to have to put on oh my gosh, y'all, it's unbelievable. I'm going to probably have to, I got on some sweatpants, but I'm probably going to put on another pair of sweatpants. Also, a sweatshirt and another shirt above that, and a wool coat. And probably a host of other things. I need to get some more sugar, some more raw sugar. Yep, so use the rest of this. Somebody was saying in the comments, I don't know who it was, somebody was saying that, did I know that somebody was saying something about oatmeal was not good for us? Or something, it had some, I don't know, something was weird. And I said, that's really strange. Because oatmeal's been around for like a long time, like grits and stuff and barley. Those are things that were like in the Bible. So how could that be bad for us? I don't know, but I'm still keeping my oatmeal. Yeah, I love oatmeal. Who doesn't love oatmeal? Who doesn't love oatmeal? Oh yeah, it does have this. Well, wait a minute, maybe it don't have the seed. Oh my gosh, it doesn't have the seed. So this should be better. Instead of raisins, I'd rather have dates. Dates have more nutritional value than I think the raisins do. So that's why I chose the dates. And you just cut them up like that and put them in your oatmeal. So guys, that's my oatmeal bowl. My oatmeal bowl. Let's dig in and see what she tastes like. I don't have a lot going on today, y'all. I'm trying to attempt to go walk today. I have not been out walking exercise I've been doing. I've just been running up and down the hallway, doing my jumping jacks and my jump rope inside the house. As far as getting out, taking a walk, I have not. I think I did. I think I went, what day was that? I think I went Saturday. I tried to go Saturday. I walked like maybe, I'm going to say maybe 300 feet. And I just turned around and ran back to the truck and got in the car. Because I was like, I don't know if I can do this. But today, I think the high is 25 and the low is 19. That's still cold, but yeah, I'm going to try it. Guys, this is life to me. I'm gonna finish up my oatmeal. And I'll probably see you guys once I get at home. Okay? Alright, y'all. Hey fam, y'all, I wanted to show y'all before I left out of here exactly what I got on. And it's so cold. I have on, y'all see that I got on a wool sweater, I got it backwards. I got on my wool scarf. This hoodie. Another sweatshirt, sweatpants, another pair of sweatpants right here. I got on these thick old socks. My hat, I put a scarf on underneath, guys, and I got my gloves and my wool long coat. So this is what I have to wear today, guys, to go outside. To go to work and to go work out. So I just wanted to show y'all so y'all wouldn't think that she's kidding. It's super, super cold. So y'all, that is my outfit of the day, y'all. My warm outfit of the day. And then I'll put my hood on. If I can find it through all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Y'all, where's my hood? Oh, I already got it on, but my hood is on. And that's it. It's just so much. Oh my God. If I was very, very big, I couldn't be able to deal with this. This is just too much. This is too, oh my gosh. Y'all, so there it is. Those are my wraps. My OOTD of the day. Yes. Hopefully I'm warm. I'll see you guys when I come back, okay? Y'all see how cold it is? Let me zoom in and show y'all just how cold it is. It's so pretty. You got a little water coming through there, but y'all see all that frozen stuff? All that frozen. Listen to the birds. Listen to the birds, y'all. I made it, and I'm done. I'm a little wet, and I will see you guys in a little while. The beauty. Look at the beauty, y'all. Look at the beauty. Look at all the beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All the beauty. y'all. Woo! I had to get me some warm coffee. Warm coffee. Y'all don't understand how cold it is out here. Y'all look at all this tissue I had in my robe and in my pocket pants or one of my pants I was washing. I'm like, oh my God, I have to always remember now, because we have all these cold days, to make sure I got all my make sure we ain't got no napkins and tissues in the pockets. So, yeah. Y'all had to rewarm this coffee. It got cold that fast. That Keurig, how many of y'all own a Keurig? Raise your hand in the comments if y'all own a Keurig. And do you have a problem where you feel like it don't keep your coffee that warm that long? I don't think it does. We also are basically paying for names, guys, for stuff. We're just paying for a name that everybody gravitated towards, and they just pumped it up and boosted it up and make it seem like it's all that great. But I think it needs to be some type of warmer or something attached to that Keurig so your coffee will stay warm. Because I don't drink coffee like right away. Do y'all? I drink it, like I'll set it down and I'll come back and drink some more. It shouldn't, I don't know. Maybe they should come out with a warming cup or something, a Keurig warming cup. That's just my thoughts, y'all. Yep, guys, I'm not doing too much. I'm gonna wait till those clothes get washed and then I'll dry them. And y'all, that's just probably my day. I don't have nothing to do. I have nothing to do now. It's like the day is almost over, and yeah. Look at my chair. Look at my chair. Y'all, I love my chair. Not love it like that, but I like it. I think what I'm gonna do, though, these pillows. I think I'm gonna take these pillows and just, if I ever get to one of those bin places again, just take a pillow, like an insert. They be having like open boxes of Amazon stuff. I'm probably gonna take something. If I ever see one, I'll take the stuffing, because it's 100% cotton stuffing. I got a sore throat, y'all. And then I'll put it inside whatever I find, whatever, pillowcase I find or whatnot. So, yeah. I'm not feeling the pillows anymore. I'm just not. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I just be doing stuff. But I would not throw away that fabric, because the fabric is good. It's Italian cotton or something like that. So, yeah. But, guys, I have nothing else to vlog about. So I'm glad you guys hung out with me today for a little while and watched me live like an Eskimo, so I could go to work and go outside and go for a walk. And hope you enjoyed the scene today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you too, y'all, for all my new subscribers. Thank you, and thanks for coming around to enjoy. Thanks for coming to join the family. This is my family. So I really appreciate that. This is a super chill, relaxed, simple life YouTube channel. So I hope you liked what you see. Thank you for coming along. I think you do like what you see, or you want to subscribe. Thank you so very much, y'all, for hanging out with me today. And guess what? Y'all know what I always say when I end my video. Please remember to love yourself. Yourself. Like yourself right here. Yourself. Love yourself, so you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Y'all like my little, I got my hair. This is what I had underneath my hat. So yeah. So guys, that's going to be it for me today. Happy Monday. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love always. Until next time, y'all. Right here. Right here. Spread the love, all right? All right, y'all, I'm out. Bye.